Hey everyone, hope you're doing well, and today I'm going to show you how I use a vacuum cleaner because this floor really needs cleaning, so I really need to use this vacuum cleaner today, and hence why I'm going to do a video right now of me using it to show you how I use a vacuum cleaner. So it's plugged in into the wall already, and get ready with this. Oh, bit of a fail there. Get ready with this and press on. That does not sound right. And there it is. That was dodgy and scary. I have absolutely no idea what just happened there, but the moment I turned that on, that did not sound right, and there is absolutely no suction coming through here at all. I have no idea why. So let's try this again anyway, see what happens. Because it's, well, definitely plugged in, otherwise it wouldn't have made that sound of it being on. But it did not sound right. Sounded like something in there has gone wrong somewhere. I'll show you anyway. I'll show you. So, have a look. Turn this on again. And as you can see, absolutely no suction at all. I have no idea why. Is that working now? A little bit of suction, but not much. I have no idea why it's not working properly. Okay, so I changed slightly that time. There's a little bit of suction, but I don't know what's wrong with it because it worked fine the last time I used it. Okay, so as this is not working properly, let's just check still again that it's not. It's still not working properly. I'm going to take this little spinny bit out and see if I can see anything wrong here. Okay, I can't open this at all. Can't open this at all. This is not opening one little bit. See, why am I doing When I just turned it on then, that sounded alright. Made the right sort of sound. It's when this was in. Makes me think this is the problem. Maybe it's like in the wrong way or something, or well, there's a filter in here. Maybe there's something in the filter that's causing the problem, or I really don't know. I really don't know. Because I can't actually even get into this. So I don't know how to get into this. How? No, that doesn't work. Sorted. Okay. Get this out. Okay. A little bit of moisture there. See if I can clean this up a bit. There's a little foamy here. Let me show you. You can see a little bit of foam at the bottom of that. Makes me think this might need a bit more drying. This was cleaned recently, and cleaning this involves washing it, so this could be what is going on here. Might just be needing some extra cleaning time. drying time. Well, going to put this back together, give the Hoover one more attempt and see how it goes. So in summary, I believe the reason this isn't working properly is because this filter needs a bit more drying time from when it had some cleaning done. How do I get this back in here? Sorted. Put that back in. Okay, let's just give this one more try. Otherwise, it's pulling that dry thing in again. Still not working, and as you can hear, that still sounds dodgy. So I am taking, how does this open? Taking this out and taking this out, and I am now going to put this out to dry. Again, because it clearly needs more drying time, and again, lots of foam still in there. So, drying again. And there it is for vacuum cleaner filters, drying until they can be used. However long that will take is anyone's guess. So that ruins my attempt at vacuum cleaning today. That now puts that back probably a good couple of days now, waiting for that to dry. By which point there'll be even more vacuum cleaning to do. I look forward to it. Very notly. As I can no longer vacuum clean, I am now going to go and find something else to do. Maybe watch a movie or clean something else. Who knows? No, it won't be cleaning. I've done enough attempting at that today. As for now, hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will be sure to be back for a new video soon which will not be vacuum cleaner related. Enjoy! Au revoir! Oh, and remember to check out my other videos and like and subscribe if you can, and if you're vacuum cleaning today, hope you have much better success than I do. Bye!